high super achievers, students, parents, and individuals. And this is a question to students. Are you playing video games like PUBG, Fireplay, or Call and Duty? And if you are really skilled in playing video games, then you have one of the best career options that can land yourself. You can land yourself DRDO, ISRO, or making next generation of missile and defense system for India. How do you see this option, the best career option? So if you want to know more, ज़्यादा जानना चाह रहे हैं आप, तो stay with me for next 10 to 12 minutes. We'll see how you can make this skill or this passionate about playing video games to make your best career option in Indian defense industry. And what is the size of this defense industry? And India itself, we are investing around $80 billion this year, 24-25. And total, globally, if you see, the industry is $600 billion. So a lot of opportunity and career options basically for India, because after this Sindoor operation, we are now famous because we have successfully launched these missiles and drone system and just broke Pakistan. So please stay with me for next to 10-12 minutes. Now I am welcoming you to my channel at the rate Pratap Harichandan in the bracket Atindriyam, where we are building super achievers. You can make your career as a super achiever. And don't forget to share my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon. This is a request from my side because I am building a community of super achievers. And ये possible हो सकता है when you share my videos and subscribe to my channel more and more, so that I can reach millions of people and make them super achievers. Say super achievers. So now let us see how we can start to know the best career option and build the best career option in Indian defense industry. Please listen carefully. So what is the advantage who are playing games, those who are a little bit more skilled or expertise in playing games? What is the advantage? Just let's see. We only enjoy playing, when you play, we just focus only playing, winning the game or in a team, whatever it is, games. But if you see, we are building real world skills. What are the real world skills? What skills? Let's see. First is critical thinking, quick decision making, because when playing games, you have to make quick decisions. Hand-eye connection, coordination, hand as well as eye, coordination, and your tech familiarity. That means how the technology is working, you are a little bit tech familiar. What you are building? Skill, critical thinking, quick decision making, hand-eye coordination, and tech familiarity. So these are the sought after skills nowadays. Just see these things. And the skills are required. These skills are actually required for drone missions, missile command systems, real-time surveillance system. You don't know. If you want to know more on this, you have to search, because I have only 10 minutes. Within that, I have to complete what are the options, how we can opt those options, how can you reach to these career options. If you want to know more about one of the things, you just DM me. I can make another video on this. And UAV pilots. What are UAV pilots? Unmanned aerial vehicles. Generally, it is known as drones. Pilots in Indian defense system are being played with what? Joystick system, the way you are play games. So these are the sought after skills. Second is exciting career options you never thought. Let's see what are the career options. Now let me blow your mind. What are the career options? Drone pilot or UAV specialist. That means There's surveillance system through drone. You can go and surveillance what are the systems that is on other countries, those things. It is used, these drones, UAVs are used. So who can operate those things? You are a skilled UAV pilot or drone pilot. Then learn. What you have to learn here, you know mechatronics, artificial intelligence, GPS system. So course you can go for BTech in robotics, mechatronics, and DGCA drone pilot training, so that you can become a drone pilot or UAV specialist. Second, defense system programmer. Develop software that guides missiles and detects the threats, because nowadays everything is software, the system that works. Because you know our S400, Sudarshan 400, how we detected from a distance and just kill those Pakistani drones and missile system. Third is aerospace and missile engineer. Design supersonic and hypersonic missiles. Fourth is cyber warfare specialist. Protect India's digital system. So that, because during this war, you know, not war-like situation, not like I'm telling you war-like situation between India and Pakistan, many hackers started hacking our systems, defense system, computers. They want to hack our servers and this computer system, but they could not hack. Clearly, they could not hack. So you have to build the cyber warfare specialist. You have to. These are career options. Then last one is AI plus drone tech innovators. Design AI that controls the drones efficiently. These are the some career options that I told you, but lot more options are there. If you can search, you can also find out in which area you are more interested. Then let's go to the third step, that is real-time inspirations. Many drone technology companies have come up. You know, one of them is Idea Forge. How they started this startup, you know, in just a room. The idea just came to their mind. They are IITians, so it came to their mind and they started planning and started working on those things. And now they are full-fledged drone manufacturing company. They have trained around 10,000 drone operators. So this way, this is a real-time inspiration for you. Lot of best career options in this system. Fourth is step-by-step career path. How you can build this career. If you are in class 9, 10, 11 and 12, and only those who are taking physics, chemistry, mathematics. So first it is your PCM up to class 12. Between these years from 9 to 12, if you are in class 9, 10 or 11, you can join science fairs. Then it is your coding clubs to learn these things and build a simple drone. Just build a simple drone in a team. Second, watch video on defense technology, AI and robotics. Read about DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, ISRO, HAL. These are our defense industries, Indian government defense companies. Read about them, what they are doing, what they are manufacturing. After 12th, you have to do your engineering. BTech in mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science, robotics, mechatronics. These branches you can do and get into your, or another option is get into a technical course in Indian defense industry, Indian military. Like after +2, if you are keeping 70%, earlier they were taking direct entry to BTech course in Indian military, or through NDA in technical trade. That also you can do. Then you join DRDO through GATE. ISRO also, it is advanced IIT. If you go through advanced G, you can do a course in ISRO, or you have option to appear GATE, appear a BTech and join DRDO. It is a little bit premium, you have to premium career, so you have to be more focused and bring that percentage, and interview you have to do it very fantastically, you have to do excellent interview. So these are the path, career path to work as a what in a defense industry, best career option. If you like this video, please share with your friends, those may be needing, you are helping them, then subscribe to my channel. This is all about. If you want to know more, please write to me. All the love, all the power.